Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Are you ready to create something awesome? Today, we're going to learn how to draw a super cool excavator. This fun step-by-step tutorial is perfect for beginners, and by the end, you'll have a fantastic drawing to show off. This one is a special request from Zine, who loves excavators. You know what, Zine? I think excavators are cool as well. Draw a rectangle. This part is where the operator sits, and it's called the cabin. Let's draw some outlines to give it some shape and thickness. Please pause if this is too fast for you. We wouldn't want you to miss any important steps, right? Let's add 2 headlights to the top of the cabin. This excavator may be working late into the night. We never know when that extra illumination will come in handy. Did you know? Excavators are equipped with a variety of attachments that can enhance their functionality. Beyond just the standard bucket for digging, they can be fitted with grapples for lifting, augers for drilling holes, hydraulic hammers for breaking concrete, and even specialized tools for demolition or scrap handling, making them incredibly versatile on construction sites. Let's finish off the front of the cabin. Excavators come in a range of sizes, from compact mini excavators that can fit in tight spaces and are ideal for residential projects, to massive hydraulic excavators used in mining and large-scale construction projects. The largest excavators can weigh over 1,000 tons and have buckets that can hold several cubic meters of material. Wow! Excavators are so cool. Let's draw the wheels of our excavator. Now let's draw the most important part of our excavator, the arm and the bucket. Pause. If this is too fast for you, it's very important to get all the steps. Modern excavators often come with advanced technology features, such as GPS, telematics, and automated controls. These innovations enhance precision in excavation tasks, improve fuel efficiency, and allow operators to monitor machine performance in real time, dramatically increasing productivity and reducing operational costs. Okay, now that the arm is completed, there is only one thing missing to make this excavator super cute. Can you guess what we should add? Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.